Welcome back. He's been a competitive runner most of his life, but when his knees had taken all of the pounding that they could, that's when he decided to hop on a bike. Now, 83-year-old Ernie McAfee is preparing for the Dallas Golden Games to compete in a 20K cycling event against others in his age group. Photojournalist Mike Kinney takes us out to Presbyterian Village North, where McAfee is training for next week's games.
Oh yeah, this is my first race in over 2 years. I'm really looking forward to it. I'm Ernie McAfee. I'm 83 years old, and I race bicycles. I have always been a competitive person. I ran track and cross country in high school and college. Decided to try bicycling because you don't have the pounding on the knees. Decided I would race to give myself some accountability. You cover so much more territory on a bicycle, so much easier. It's so much easier on your legs and your feet. I've got a 1.25 mile loop here, and I'll ride that for anywhere from 15 to 20 miles, 6 days a week. And then 1 or 2 days a week I'll go into the gym. My doctor tells me I have the heart of and circulation system of a 40-year-old. And part of that's probably genetics, but a whole lot of it is the exercise. And of course it keeps my muscles strong enough to do what I want to do. My favorite part is coasting downhill with the wind in my face.
How long are you going to keep riding?
Until I can't. And if I lose my balance, I'm going to get one of those three-wheel rigs.
Well, we wish him all the best. McAfee had qualified for the National Games before COVID had shut down last year's competition. He will travel to Fort Lauderdale next spring to compete for the gold. And of course, we're rooting him on, wishing him nothing but the best.